Hello friends, in this video we are going to use image view in our Android Studio. Yeah, this will add images in our Android app. So how to use image views properly in our Android app. So let's get started. I'm starting a project here. I'm starting an empty activity and give it a name here. I'm choosing a lollipop version of the Android now. It's API 21. You can choose any one of them. Click finish. Okay friends, now our project is ready to work. Let's open XML file. Here is a text view right there in center of our app. So select this and delete this from here. So I choose this. Okay. Here is a constraint layout. Here is a constraint layout and here is a text view. So let's delete this text view and yeah, go to the design and you can see this image view. Just drag it here in the center of this and choose your image here. Here's our first image. So here is our image. So we should align these constraints of this image. So first of all, I am dragging a text view also here. Here I am dragging a text view and giving a text of changing text here. I'm going to change this. I'm going to change this text size to 25 dp. It's 25 sp. And I'm going to give it a bold type. Now let's align these views now. So yeah, align this view also. So here you can see this occupies the whole of this. So I'm going to select this, go to the text, this, and here's the image view. It's called wrap content width and wrap content height. So I'll go to the scale type. Scale type to center crop. Now it will fill our images. It looks more better than before. And I will change this height of 300 dp. I'll give it 250 dp. Now it's good. So I will align this to this view. And I align this to the left of this and right of this. So now our image is good, but I am giving some margin here. So margin to the 10 dp. Again text view here to make it look better. So here is image view. Okay, here's a text view and here's a text view again. Okay, I'm arranging this code also. I'm just going to Control X and Control V. And this is our third text. So dragging it inside this. Make sure you have aligned all of the constraint of the any view when making app. So yeah. It's the wrap content with is. Let's give it a 500 dp. small. It's 400 dp. It's very small, and we give it 350 dp. Okay, and I'm going to give it 380 dp. It's good, and it's not a 250. It's only 200. I'll go to it 200. Now I think it's looking good. So align this view to this parent of, and now it's good. Use of image view, and that's it, friends. Now this is our image view. We should run this in our emulator or real device. So I'm going to run this on our device. To run this app on our device, click here. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, friends, you can see this. We have an image view. Yeah, we have image view properly, and yeah, that's it. This is our image view. How to use image view text. So you can add any images like this. We'll see more videos on image view, like how to use them in our recycler view or list view. We can also show images from database also. So we will see this kind of tricks in next session. So be with us and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.